y'all, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a day in the life with me and my cousin Kayla because it is Tuesday, and if you remember with my, not last Tuesday because I was at the beach, but the Tuesday before, Tuesdays are going to start being mine and Kayla's days, and so we're just going to pack for a lake trip that we're going on this week. Young Living's having a huge convention, releasing a lot of new products, so we're going to pack together and get ready to stay with about 25 girls in a huge lake house that's gorgeous, and I'll show y'all that lake house on another video. But this is what I'm wearing today. I got these cute shoes from Apple Low Boutique. It's a local boutique close to me, and I absolutely love their style. So I got these cute shoes, and I'll link them down below. And then Kayla is doing the, I guess, 5 days of birthday for me because my birthday is Thursday. She's so stinking sweet. And she showed up yesterday at my house with this cute tank. It's like a little linen shirt that she got from a local boutique called Classy Touch. And I used to work at Classy Touch years ago, and I loved it. I love the owners. They're so nice. Anyway, so I'll link their boutique below also because they ship, and I love their style. Anyway, so Kayla got me this. It kind of ties. It is like very breezy. I love it. So I hear the dogs barking. She's outside, so we're going to go get in the car with her.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my house. My name is Kayla. I'm Holly's bestie and first cousin. We're here packing for the lake this weekend. We're going down with some of our friends. So we're packing my bog bag, suitcases and everything. And I'm excited to show y'all what all we take.
She's going through her closet trying to find things to pack. So she has this green striped shirt with these little linen shorts. And she's trying to find another shirt that she might could wear with those linen shorts. And we have discovered something about Kayla.
Just a plain green tank.
I said, show me the other shirts you have.
I've got...
My closet is all black and white, and Kayla's, her favorite color is this army green.
Oh, my Waymaker shirt.
Oh yeah, that would be really cute with these shorts.
Yes, but it's green.
It's green.
What other color do you want me to find?
Anything but green. I think all of her favorite shirts are green. Y'all need oils. You definitely need to take that one on the oily trip.
Obviously.
Oh my gosh. How many is that?
Like 5. Oh, I've got a different color.
Some yellow. That one is pretty. I love that mustard yellow. I think that all your basic tees, you buy it in green, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
It's got green on it, but it's not green.
I like it. I like it.
So
That'd
we
be cute here too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green and 2 different.
I really like that one. That one's so cute.
I need to put this and the shorts on together. Okay, so here's the little floral shirt that we've matched with the linen shorts. I think it's pretty cute.
I love that outfit. That is so cute.
We tucked it because with it untucked, it looks kind of
Baggy a little bit.
kind of big. So we just gave it a quick little tuck.
Love that. That's one of my favorites. That's a me outfit.
Big earrings. Okay, y'all, so we're packing my beautiful bog bag that yours truly gave me, Holly. Thank you, Holly.
I love her.
So I got 2 beach towels and then my different swimsuits in here. Do you want me to pull it all out and show them?
Here, I can just go like this.
I got this little insert off of Amazon. It's got my hat in it. And then here, this one came with it. It's got my Lavaderm After Sun Spray, or cooling mist, I'm sorry, my Bug Off, and then some lavender chapstick.
Show them the little insert, because you can buy different inserts off of Amazon or the Bog Bag site.
So they just pop in and out. It looks like a crock.
Yeah, somebody messaged me and said, where can I get the crock bag?
Oh, that's funny. Okay, so it just pops right in, the little holes right here. This actually came in a pack of 2. I just have the big one, then I have a smaller one like this size. I just not using it right now, but they are so cute and easy to pop in and out. Yeah, these came off of Amazon. I think it was like $14, $15.
Yeah, I think
for
that's how much
two.
they are.
So they're not expensive at all.
Yeah, I love these bags. They're so easy. Like I took mine to the beach and I was able to clean the sand out of mine really easy. They're easy to wipe down, easy to carry. They don't flop over. And I love how you can organize everything.
You just pop it back in.
And I love Kayla's small one. I kind of wish I had a small one to take to the lake with me because my big one is huge.
Okay, y'all, so it's Holly's birthday week, day 2. So I got her something from Classy Touch. One thing in here is from Classy Touch, and there's a few other things that's not. But I also got this from there. Y'all saw her shirt that I got there yesterday.
You got a present yesterday too.
Yes, so this is present number 2. She's about to open it.
Spoiled rotten. Ooh, yes! I love these little hair scrunchies and a Starbucks gift card. What is this? This is so cute. Where did you get that?
A antique store.
I love this. The hydrangea. Thank you, honey. So we're in town now. This is where we come shopping a lot. Kayla works in Clanton. This is the Peach County. And so we're going to show y'all a few shops that we're going to go in to find a few more things for the lake and just to get out and about. And we're just going to walk everywhere. There's like 3 boutiques that are just located right here. So we're going to Trendy Chick right now. Exit Royalty. Y'all saw me decorate that one day. And then this is Trendy Chick. Not much there. This is more Lynn's. Oh, this is where I got this ring for Valentine's Day. And then over here is Rustic Relics. And then we're going to walk across the street over here to go to Willow 31. I love their boutique. Here's Willow 31. And I love their store.
See something? All of our new arrivals are not out yet,
So this is their stuff. They have the cutest. Absolutely love everything in here. And I get in trouble when I come in here. Okay, so now we're walking across the street. That's where we were. Got the pretty fountain. And then we're going right here to this Sadie's Loft. So here's the Sadie's Loft. It is so cute in here. I love it. Has a lot of character.
Hey, good, how are you? Are y'all looking for anything?
You're just looking around.
Alright, just let me know if you need help. We will. Try on a few things.
Got baby clothes. So there's a lot more places in Clanton, but we were only going to go to these 3 so we could walk to them, and we're hungry now, so we're going to go back to Thorsby and eat lunch. But Kayla saw that I loved these earrings, and she bought them for me for my birthday. Aren't they so cute? And they kind of match my new nails, so I'm so excited about these. And then I'll show you her earrings, and then she got some shorts for the lake. Here's her earrings. I love these. And then I'll show the shorts. She wanted some more linen shorts. They're so ruffly and cute. I love those. So we're going to eat now because we're hungry. We here at the place in Thorsby. We got to buy a gift. This is called Old Town Market, and I love this little place. So I got a gift from in here, and y'all will see on my home tour that's coming up Friday. Some decorations that I got from her already. I'm gonna actually, the reason I didn't film in there because I'm gonna go in there and do a home tour of it probably in the next couple weeks. But she had this clock. I'll show you whenever we get home. It is gorgeous, and it had a crack in it, and the vendor just, or not the vendor, what are they called? Maybe a vendor.
The shop, the seller,
I can't remember. We're calling it the vendor. The vendor that she got it from just told her to keep it because it had a little crack in it. And so she said she didn't have anything to do with it and asked if I wanted it. It was regular $110. So I'm so excited. So I'm either going to put it in my greenhouse or my garden shed whenever Drew builds it for me, or I'm planning on redoing my foyer. So I might put it in there. But I'll show y'all what it looks like whenever we get home today. Right now, we're going to eat. We're really going to eat this time. Right?
yes.
Street. I should have showed y'all. We seriously the place is right there that we just came out at the little boutique. And now we're at Farmhouse Cafe.
I love the sign. It's just so
It's a farmhousey.
farmhouse. It gets rustic. I don't think you're supposed to park in front of the stairs, but I am.
Kayla.
VIP parking.
Closed
the
Thursday
birthday
and
card.
Friday.
Birthday girl in the car.
Let's go eat. We're getting off the hot bar today. Meatloaf and some veggies. It's you two. There's Tiffany. She's the owner. She doesn't want to be on film, so she's running. This is it. Okay, listen, I wonder how many people we're going to see here today. We've seen a lot. You're from a small town, you know everybody. We're eating some good southern cookies today. A lot. So I stuffed my face, ate all of my food. Kayla didn't eat all of hers, so she made me feel like a big fat pig.
I almost did.
No, she didn't. Tiffany, I wanted to get her on film. She is so nice. She was telling us more places to go try around here. So we're going to go try some other things on different Tuesdays. But we love Tiffany at Farmhouse. She's got her energy drink. All natural.
Energy drink.
She used to drink Red Bulls. I got on to her, so she started ordering those.
Yes, those are terrible for you.
Anyway, so if you're ever in this area, I would recommend coming to eat at Farm. Actually, there's a bunch of little areas.
Yes.
But for this video, I'm going to recommend coming to Peddlers from the Past, come to Farmhouse Cafe, and then you can go to Rustic Relic, shop around for antiques, and then you can shop around at the boutiques because there's more than what we just showed y'all today. So, but we'll keep doing videos like this so you can see what's all around here. So we came home and we've been sitting here in this chair. We've been playing on Instagram. So if you follow us on Instagram at Simply Like in Lace, or what is yours, Caleb?
Caleb Brooke Robinson?
Caleb Brooke Robinson. Yeah, pull it up for him. Anyway, you'll see whenever we're together, we have a lot of fun.
Robinson.
Show them on the thing.
Uh-oh.
What's it going to? Go follow her.
Brooke Robinson.
It's backwards.
I recently changed it because of me getting married, so that's why I couldn't remember right off. But it's Caleb Brooke Robinson.
So go follow her. We've been doing Would You Rather, and what's that other game? That was fun.
Who is more?
Yeah, so it's like a little game on Instagram where it like asks you a question like who is more messy, and we were doing, you do your head like this, and I don't really know how to explain it. Anyway,
Like this.
it's really a fun game. I've seen people playing it all the time, but I didn't know how to get it, and Kayla had it on her phone. Anyway, so we've been sitting here for what, an hour?
We brought our stuff in, and we've just been like relaxing.
Yeah, we got tired. But I'm going to get up in a minute. I'm going to show y'all that clock that I was talking about that I got. And then we're going to start packing for me for the weekend. But we might take a nap. I don't know what happened. We got lazy real fast. Turned the kitchen lights on, but too lazy to walk over there and turn those lights on. But this is the clock that I was telling y'all about. And you can see this is where it is broken. But I think it gives it some character. It's so pretty. So thank you, Miss Wendy, for letting me have this. I love it. So I'm thinking about kind of changing up the foyer. My plans are to possibly take all of this out, buy a big long table, and I was going to hang that mirror up, but I might use this until I get my garden shed done, and then put this in the garden shed. I think is what my plans are going to be. So I'm going to go get my suitcase, and I guess we'll start packing. So this is one thing I'm definitely taking. I got this outfit at the beach, and I've already worn it once, but I love it so much. It's this linen material, and I'm obsessed. So it's this oversized shirt and these shorts, so I'm going to wear this to like lounge around in while we're there. So I'm definitely packing that, and then I got to go find a couple of other things. But y'all, I'm obsessed. Like linen, everything is my jam nowadays. I think I've gotten Kayla all about it too. It's just so soft and comfortable. I got these shorts from Old Navy. And then I got those white ones right there. They're the same style, but they're white. I have other ones from Old Navy. They're just not as soft as these. So these are their newest ones, and they are comfortable. So we're definitely packing that outfit. Okay, so I've just thrown some stuff. The only outfit that I know for sure I'm taking so far is that all white outfit. You'll have to follow us on Instagram, and then also I'll be posting a lake video so y'all can see everything, but we've got just stuff strewn everywhere right now. And Miss Althea just called me, and y'all know Addison. So y'all know my sister-in-law Addison. She is actually a hairstylist, and she just got into a new salon, and then her best friend Carly has a boutique there, so I'm gonna head there for the day. And I may show some stuff there, I may not, because I want to go film that place later when they get it all fixed, but I might show y'all a few things there. Kayla can't go with me. I want her to, but she's going to go see it another day with me. We're going to play around in Montevallo one day. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and end this vlog here for the day. We've enjoyed being with y'all today. What time is it? It's like after 3.
4
o'clock. We've been together since
9 o'clock this morning.
I love it. All right. Well, we will see y'all on the next adventure. Bye, y'all.